Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stack widget on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to show you how you can add widget to our home screen on the Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want to add widget, you need to tap and hold on any empty area of your home screen, and then the screen will look like this, and you can simply click on widgets. Okay, and here you can choose the widget you want to add to your home screen. These are the type of the widgets you can add to your home screen. And for example, I'm going to add the Chrome widget. This one. I'm going to select the Chrome search. Okay, I'm going to click on the Chrome search widget, and we can click on add to add the widget to our home screen. And now the widget has been added guys, and I'm going to move it right here. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how you can create the stack. If you want to create stack, you can tap and hold on the widget, and then you can simply click on create stack. Okay, and choose the widget you want to combine with the first widget or the previous widget. And for instance, I'm going to combine it with the YouTube search. I'm going to add this widget to my home screen as well. I'm going to make it stack with the Chrome search. Okay, click on add. And now the stack widget has been created guys. If you want to switch from one widget to another widget, you just need to slide your screen like this. You can slide to the left or to the right to change the widget. Okay, if you want to add more tags to your widget, you just need to do the same. Tap and hold on the widget, and then you can click on edit tag. Okay, then here you'll be able to add widget. Okay, for the third widget, I'm going to select, for example, the Gemini. Okay, like this. Okay, and the third widget has been added, guys. And if you want to remove the widget, you can simply click on this icon. Like this. Okay, now it's done. And you just need to go back. And this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create stack widget on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.